Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Anaconda and a Python 3 environment. First, open Anaconda Navigator so you control environments graphically. Once done, verify the correct environment is selected in the drop-down. This determines available packages. Then click Launch under Jupyter Notebook to start the server in your browser. You do this to ensure kernels match your project. If you prefer, use Conda Create for a new env. That isolates dependencies and prevents version conflicts as you proceed. Now create a notebook by clicking New and choosing Python 3, which gives you an interactive workspace. Rename the untitled notebook immediately so your files stay organized. If your code needs different packages, open a terminal from Navigator or use a notebook cell with pip install or conda install to add them. Make sure the kernel matches the environment you installed into. Once done, restart the kernel to load new packages and run small cells to confirm everything executes as expected without errors. Finish by saving your notebook frequently and exporting copies via file download as for sharing or submission. When you're done, shut down individual kernels and stop the Jupyter server from the terminal or Navigator to free memory. If something goes wrong, for example the kernel won't start, check that the notebook's kernel is mapped to an existing conda env, restart the kernel, and reinstall missing packages into that env. If persistent, recreate the environment. That often resolves hidden dependency conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.